Ayan, so good day. I'm Mars Belen from BSDCE 3E. Today I will discuss about the MATLAB exercise number 5, which is entitled Underdam System Design. So, ayan, nung nakaraan pa po itong week nakarang week po na code, approved naman na po. So, here is the result. Ayan, so, banggitin ko lang po ulit yung answer ko. Sa mga rise time, which is rise time. Ayan, so 2.66. Ayan, so may peak time, 3.93. Tapos, may settling time, which is 8. Yan, kita naman po natin dito. Tanggalin lang po na yan. Tanggalin lang po natin ito. So, para mas malaki. Kita natin siya. Settling time niya is 8. Ayan, so yung percent OS is 14%. Ayan, so prove naman. Ayan, so here, when including the design of an underdam system using MATLAB, so the conclusion is you typically focus on evaluating the system performance, stability, and response characteristics. So, the steps are system analysis. And so, ginawa natin na analysis tayo. Tapos, response plots, frequency responses. And tapos, control design, applicable performance evaluation. And so, documentation. By following this step and MATLAB capabilities for systems analysis and response plotting and control design, with the students can effectively conclude the design of an algorithm system and ensure its functionality and performance align with your requirements. So that is the conclusion for this laboratory MATLAB exercise number 5. And that's all po.